just walk के लिए निकला था. I don't know.
Welcome, sir.
Wow.
To the board of clouds. Shalom.
Commander sir. कहाँ है? अरे वाह.
Of Meghalaya Filmmakers Association to please felicitate our honorable guest, Mr. Sanjay Mishra.
अंजलि come.
Yes. Okay.
So how's Shillong so far?
Good. Cool.
Do you like the place?
Yeah. Very nice. And this मेघालय फिल्म फेस्टिवल बहुत बेहतर चीज़ है एक नई शुरुआत करने के लिए. इट्स गुड.
Thank you.
थैंक यू. वेरी नाइस थिंग. क्यों?
बहुत ही बढ़िया और अच्छा.
So what will be your suggestion regarding filmmaking?
Suggestion, I don't have anything, but the first time experience, they will get next time more better.
So have you watched any film?
No, I just came.
So will you be watching Khasi movie?
I don't know.
Sir, will learning.
Okay. When is the program?
It went off, sir. But so we'll show it to you.
Okay.
Hello.
So what's the difference between the weather there and here? How do you like it here?
I am Shillong weather. She is Bombay weather. Tell me.
Loving Shillong weather. It's beautiful.
Wow.
It's very beautiful to be here. And so many young faces to see, so much interest in films. It's amazing.
How many days will you be staying here in Shillong?
2 days and then 2 more days, hopefully.
Will you visit some of the scenic beauty here in Meghalaya?
We are planning to go to see some places. I hope Root Bridge and other things. So we will explore a bit of Meghalaya.
Will there be any collaboration? Will there be any collaboration between you guys and Khasi
This is
industry?
a collaboration. This one.
Maybe in film collaboration in the future?
गवर्नमेंट सोच रही है अच्छी फिल्मों का तो आगे होगा कोलैबोरेशन. और दिस स्टार्ट जब स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं हम एंड फर्स्ट टाइम है, बेस्ट टाइम. एंड आई थिंक 10 years के बाद इस फेस्टिवल मेघालय फेस्टिवल का फिल्म फेस्टिवल का एक अपना एक रुतबा होगा बिकॉज ऑफ द वेदर एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड लोग आना चाहेंगे.
Is there any future films from you?
Here?
No, in Bollywood.
Bollywood what future?
Is there any future film? नया कोई movie? हाँ.
Bola is coming. Lots of film are there. Pritam Pyare and lots of film.
सर आप कॉमेडी के किंग हो सर. टाइमिंग और
अरे कहाँ का किंग पैदल चला रहा हूँ. नहीं मतलब अच्छा है. लोगों को अच्छा लगता है मेरा काम.
स्पेशली ये नया वाला फिल्म
वेट नहीं what? That's thanks.
Can you do comedy just one one dialogue for one
नहीं यार उसके लिए मैं I take money for that. No.
Thank you so much, sir, for
Thank you, sir.
the speech. I would like to call the president of Meghalaya Filmmakers Association to please felicitate our beloved guest this evening. Big applause.
Thank you. I thought कोई police commander होगा.
Madam Loki to Anjali.
We'd like to again felicitate Madam out here, Madam Anjali. Please, our General Secretary.
Wow.
Welcome both of you to our beloved state, Meghalaya. Welcome.
Thank you.